Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig for you guys. And today's video is brought to you by MyFirstWig. I'm going to start off by showing you guys some unboxing before we get into the actual wig I'm going to be reviewing. So here is the wig itself. This is actually a headband half wig, one of the first ones I've tried. So the texture that I have is a Yaki texture and it is 16 inches. And I'm going to show you guys the inside of the cap. So this is basically a human hair half wig with a headband sewn to the front. On the inside of the cap, you have two combs on the right and left side, a comb in the middle, and a comb in the back. You don't have adjustable straps. So with the headband, it does have some Velcro in the back, so you can attach it in the back. So, and look at that nice texture, that nice Yaki texture. So before I did my makeup, I wanted to just try it on and see what I was getting myself into, because honestly, I was a little bit nervous about this. So all you had to do was put it on your head and put the Velcro, snap it in the back, and that's about it. And I was kind of like, oh, that's it. I moved it back just a little bit to show my own edges, and that was it. And I was like, oh, that's pretty easy. That's it. It's very convenient. So yeah, and then I showed you guys all the headbands that they sent me. So I wanted to see what it would look like on top of the black headband, and it covers pretty well and it looks pretty cute. So I was like, I was pretty impressed. And I did my makeup off camera, and I did use my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and I just kind of smoothed my edges back. Even though this is a Yaki texture, I just wanted to smooth my edges back a little bit just to make it a bit more sleek. And I just used my edge brush to do that. I went ahead and put the wig back on, and I made sure to go ahead and clip the hair back with one of the clips, just so it wouldn't get caught up. They do have a comb back there, as I told you guys, so definitely put that comb in there to anchor it first, and then snap the Velcro in the back. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you have to do. So if you wanted to wear it in a ponytail, you just put it in a ponytail and go, but I wanted to wear it down and see what that looked like, so I just took my flat iron and ran it through it real quick. And that's all she wrote. Now, I know there are a lot of people on my channel who, suffer from hair loss, or you have thinning edges and stuff. If you do have thinning edges, I would recommend just pulling the headband more towards your hairline, so you don't have to worry about, showing your edges if you suffer from hair loss. So keep that in mind before purchasing. Half wigs, you tend to have some of your edges out and stuff, so keep that in mind. But a headband can cover that up. So that's basically all I had to do was put it on my head, slick my edges down, snap the Velcro in the back, and quickly run my flat iron through it, and that was it. So this is the final look, and I think it looks very cute and very natural. So let's get into the review. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video is brought to you again by MyFirstWig. Shout out to them for sponsoring another video. So today is going to be different for me because I am trying one of their new wigs. So this is a headband wig from MyFirstWig. I have never tried a built-in headband wig before. So essentially what this is a human hair Yaki texture. Texture is amazing, by the way. It feels like MyFirstWig April, the one that I loved earlier this year, has that same texture. It looks very, very natural. And it has a headband attached to the front with Velcro in the back. So this is going to be very easy for beginners. You don't have to worry about blending any lace or gluing anything down, but throw it on and go kind of wig. So I'm not gonna front, when I first heard them say like, we're releasing headband wigs, I was kind of like, is this gonna be gimmicky? But I actually really do like how this looks and how convenient this is. And I can see me gelling down my edges and running to the store, or actually wearing this out somewhere. So as you guys saw with the unboxing and everything, this does come with a black stretch headband to start off with. You can buy your own headbands and put it on top of this one to get a different look, because sometimes people don't want to just wear a black headband. I am somebody who has a ton of headbands. I get mine off of Amazon, but they also sent me some headbands, and I'm gonna try them on with this wig for you guys. So I'm gonna read the specs. So again, this one is called Abe, and it's in a Yaki texture with straight layers. So this wig starts off at $184, which is not that bad. That's for 12 inches. And the more length you add to the wig, the price is obviously gonna go up. So the base price is $184. With my specs, mine is $261. So keep that in mind before you purchase. Again, the hair is human hair, and it is really good quality. Yeah, and this is 16 inches that I have, and I feel like this is like a perfect length for me. I could do 14. I don't know if I would want to do anything super short. I think the 16 is a really nice look. So, and this is pretty thick too. Like, this isn't like crazy thick to where I think I would burn up, but the density on this one is pretty thick. My natural hair, if you guys watch my channel a lot, you guys already know I have 4B, 4C hair. So my hair does well with Yaki textures, but I still use my edge booster to slick my edges down just so it would look good with the wig. So this essentially to me is like a half wig. So if you are turned off by the price, you could just buy a synthetic half wig and wear it with a headband. But this is super convenient, and I can see why somebody would pick this up. It's available if you want to purchase it. If you don't, that's fine. You don't have to. You don't ever have to purchase anything I put on my channel, but I do actually like this. So I am going to try on all of the headbands I have with this just to see what it looks like, and I'll just come back and do the outro for you guys. So let's do that real quick. Guys, so I have the wig in like a messy bun, which is, I think it's a cute style, especially if you don't want to wear it all down like all the time. You can definitely do half up, half down. You can do the top bun, you can do ponytails if you want to, but if you are gonna put it up in a bun, make sure the tracks are covered by the headband, and make sure the back is covered by the headband as well, so you won't, you know, get exposed and everything. I think this is actually super cute. If you are interested in it, I will have the specs and the purchase link down in the description box for you guys. Shout out to MyFirstWig for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in to another video. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.